How to fix no service on iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. Launch your settings. The very first thing you want to do is enable airplane mode. Now wait for a minimum of 6 seconds and then toggle it off. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next up, click on the option of cellular. Click on the option of cellular data options. Click on the option voice and data. Check in for the option of 5G. Hit back. Navigate to the option network selection. Enable for the option of automatic. Once you do that, hit back. Go to the main page of settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of general. Now scroll down and hit towards the option of date and time. Toggle on for the option of set automatically. Hit back. Click on the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings and go through the process. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next, reinsert your SIM card. Remove your SIM card and reinsert it to ensure it's placed correctly. If none of these solutions work, the issue could be hardware related. In this case, it's best to visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider for a more in-depth diagnosis and repair. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the no service issue on your iPhone running iOS 18. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.